Our story begins 4.6 billion years ago, before Earth even existed. This giant cloud would eventually become our solar system. As gravity tightened its grip, the cloud spun faster and faster. At the center, a newborn sun ignited. Countless grains of dust collided and stuck together. Over millions of years, these fragments grew
Among
larger.
countless growing worlds orbiting the young sun, one hot and chaotic planet was slowly taking shape. But this young Earth was nothing like the peaceful planet we know today. Its surface was a raging ocean of molten rock. For millions of years after its formation, Earth remained an incredibly hot and hostile world. Much of its surface was
During its early history, Earth was constantly struck by asteroids and rocky debris. Deep beneath the surface, Earth remained extremely hot and slowly formed layers.
As Earth cooled, the first rocky crust began forming above molten magma. Volcanoes dominated the young planet and helped create its early atmosphere. Early Earth's atmosphere was toxic and very different from today's air. Despite its violence, Earth was slowly becoming a world where life could emerge.
A massive world was moving toward the young Earth. The two worlds moved closer and closer together.
The collision released unimaginable amounts of energy.
The impact blasted enormous amounts of material into orbit.
Gravity slowly began gathering the orbiting debris together. The orbiting material slowly combined into a new world. Over time, this new world became Earth's moon. The moon's gravity would help shape Earth's future for billions of years. Over time, Earth continued cooling as its surface slowly stabilized.
Water vapor filled the atmosphere as Earth continued to cool.
Enormous storm systems formed across the planet. As temperatures dropped, rain began falling onto the young Earth.
The rain may have continued for millions of years.
Eventually, Earth's first oceans began to take shape. With oceans now covering much of the planet, the stage was set for the next great chapter, the origin of life. The ancient oceans contained the basic ingredients needed for life.
Simple chemicals drifted through Earth's early oceans.
Lightning and volcanic heat supplied energy for chemical reactions.
Over time, more complex molecules began to appear. These molecules became the building blocks of future life.
Eventually, some molecules may have gained the ability to copy themselves. From these processes, the first simple cells may have emerged. Life had begun, and Earth's greatest story was now underway.
For billions of years, microscopic life dominated Earth's oceans.
Microbial colonies spread across oceans and coastal environments. Some microbes built large structures that still exist today.
Some microbes learned to capture energy from sunlight. As a result, oxygen slowly entered Earth's oceans.
Over time, oxygen levels in the oceans continued to rise. Eventually, oxygen would begin transforming the entire planet. Photosynthetic microbes continued producing oxygen across Earth's oceans. Oxygen slowly accumulated in the oceans for millions of years.
Much of this oxygen reacted with iron dissolved in seawater. These reactions created vast deposits of iron-rich rock.
This event permanently changed the course of Earth's history. Some organisms adapted, while others could not survive the change. Oxygen opened the door for more complex forms of life. Rising oxygen levels allowed more complex cells to evolve. These cells were far more advanced than earlier life forms. Eventually, some cells began living and working together. The first multicellular organisms had finally appeared. Earth's oceans were becoming home to increasingly diverse life. Then, life experienced an extraordinary burst of diversity.
Many major groups of animals appeared during this remarkable period. Complex life had arrived, transforming Earth's oceans forever.
Life was finally beginning to leave the oceans.
Simple plants transformed the barren land into green landscapes. Over millions of years, vast forests spread across the continents.
Giant insects flourished in Earth's oxygen-rich atmosphere.
Some animals began exploring life beyond the water.
These pioneers slowly adapted to life on land.
Reptiles became the first vertebrates fully adapted to life on land.
Life had successfully conquered the land, setting the stage for a new age. After Earth's greatest extinction, dinosaurs slowly began to rise. These early dinosaurs quickly spread across the continents.
Some dinosaurs evolved into the largest animals ever to walk on land. Powerful predators became rulers of the prehistoric world.
Flying reptiles ruled the skies during the age of dinosaurs.
The oceans were home to enormous marine reptiles. For more than 160 million years, dinosaurs dominated life on Earth.
But another catastrophic event was already on its way.
66 million years ago, disaster raced toward Earth. The impact changed Earth's future in a single moment. Dust and ash covered the planet, blocking much of the sunlight.
Many ecosystems collapsed as food became increasingly scarce.
Small mammals survived and slowly began to spread. With dinosaurs gone, mammals expanded into new environments.
Mammals evolved into many new forms across the planet. Human curiosity and innovation slowly transformed the world.
From a world of fire, Earth became the only known home of life.
Our planet's story is still being written, and we are now part of that journey. If you enjoyed this journey through Earth's history, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and join us for more amazing science stories.